Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel, my friends, where we teach you all the information you need to build and establish relationships with the banks and of course grow your credit profile. So today we're going to quickly talk about consumer finance accounts. Now this is a newer thing. You've probably already heard of this. Sites like and offers like Klarna and Affirm. This is basically a way to micronize payments or make micro payments towards something much bigger. It reminds me of like layaway back in the day. I don't know if you were born in the 70s or 80s when layaway was huge, but I remember, Christmas lists, a lot of times, my family didn't have a lot of money growing up, so we would oftentimes go and put stuff on layaway. Well, this reminds me of layaway in a lot of ways. Okay, so Klarna and Affirm are the two biggest, but there's also many, many more. And if we miss any on the list, go ahead and fill me in. But basically, Klarna and Affirm are like a 4-payment system, so pay for anywhere, right? So here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we've got and what bureau they pull. Now, I'm gonna have to ask for some feedback on this because I've never done these. Well, I think I did Klarna like 2 or 3 years ago. There was no hard pull. It didn't pull anything. It just like, yeah, we did it, okay, and that was it. Maybe there was a soft pull and I didn't know it, but yeah, these pull from Experian mostly and Equifax. So I don't know if these are hard pulls or soft pulls. I assume soft pull because why would you ever get a hard pull for like a payment system plan? But comment below if you've got experience with these recently. Let me know what happened and let me know some data points so we can keep this up to date. But anyways, yeah, there's others besides Affirm and Klarna, even though those are by far the two biggest. And I wanted to quickly walk you through this and then show you a few in the wild. So here, this is an interesting way to build an ecosystem too, by the way, is that they've got this app, and on the app you can actually find everybody who offers payments through that and then go shop that site specifically. So it's like a reverse way to get inbound marketing to all these brands who are like, oh yeah, sure, we'll offer our stuff in a payment plan on Klarna as well. I guess you'd come here to shop. You could do it online, but probably just use the app. Yeah, so here you go. Look at this. You got Sephora, you got Macy's, you got JBL, you got basically everybody. Under Armour, I saw Lululemon on here. Yeah, look at this. Huge brands, Venue, Saxon Fifth. So, I mean, absolutely huge brands. It makes total sense. Now let me show you a couple examples in the wild. Here's Klarna on Abercrombie & Fitch. I just added something into a basket here. And then it says here, pay in 4 payments of $16.56. I remember when I did it, I think this was like 2 or 3 years ago. It was fairly easy, and it just took the payments automatically off of a debit or credit card, and that was it. I am curious to see though if this thing pulls a hard pull or soft pull. So yeah, basically here's the information on Klarna, and then I wanted to show you in Affirm in the wild as well. So I dug this up, CyberPower PC, which is a PC builder, and here we've got Affirm starting at $89 a month with Affirm. That's pretty interesting. So does this one give us more? Yeah, here we go. All right, so there's different options here. Make easy monthly payments over 6, 12, or 24 months. So this is a little bit different. This isn't a pay in 4. This is a pay based on many different options. Rates are between 0 and 30% APR. So they've actually got APR in there now. Klarna I don't think does, or didn't when I used it. So interesting way to do it. I don't know if it makes total sense. I mean, look at this, $164 monthly. You're gonna pay $152 in interest. It's just the payment plan stuff, you always end up paying way more. So I guess if you just gotta have it, or if you think that this, in this example, if the graphics card issue you think is gonna get worse and the supply chain issues are gonna get worse, then you might wanna snag this up now. But anyways, so there's a couple examples in the wild. Here's the data points on this. Fill me in if we're missing one too. If there's others, I'm sure there are. It seems like a lot of, fintechs and stuff are grabbing these up and adding them to their product stack. So I expect to see more and more buyouts of these services as they grow for billions and billions of dollars into big banks as they try and, build out their product stacks. But yeah, cool concept. Not sure if it's entirely worth it, but there you go. If you like this sort of video, then subscribe to the channel. A lot of our viewers are still not subscribed. Take a second, subscribe, hit the bell notification, turn it to all, and be on the lookout. More videos coming soon. See ya.